So, hello friends, my name is Ashish and you are watching as the reader. Today is day 56 of my English practice journey, and today's video I am talk about the good English knowledge give respect in our society and also professional life. So, English is not just a language. English is a powerful tool that helps us communicate with confidence. This is a basic thing. If you have a English knowledge, you can achieve more respect in our society and our professional life. In today's world, so good English knowledge plays a very important role in our personal as well as a professional life. When we speak English clearly and confidently, people listen to us with more attention and more respect. In society, the way we speak create our first expressions, and when we talk politely and correctly in English, people feel that we are educated and confident. If you have English knowledge, you don't have any degree, people understand and people feel you are a very well qualified person. So you have to know the English knowledge, English speaking knowledge, so that I can so that one day someone respect in our societies. And in society in society, the way we speak creates our first impressions. When we talk politely and correctly in English, people feel that we are educated and confident. Good English does not mean speaking difficult words. Uh, it means speaking simple, clear, and meaningful sentences. When simple English, when spoken correctly, can create a positive image in front of others. When If you don't have a English knowledge, or if you have some little bit English knowledge and speak front of a public, they feel you just like a normal people. Everyone knows a normal English and some English, but when you speak fluently English in front of public, they feel you are a very good personality person and you are very rich persons. So you have to knowledge of English. In professional life, English is even more important. Most offices use English for email, meeting, presentations, and reports. If we have good English knowledge, we can express our ideas clearly in the workplace. Of course, if have if have in English knowledge, we can express properly in our workplace. So that is the basic thing and basic knowledge. And when we speak good English in the office, our senior and colleagues take us seriously. Yeah, of course, man. When we take a do any do work, especially in English, someone's feel you do seriously work. If you like you don't have any English knowledge, that the people understand the feel you don't do. If you work is very correctly, but people doubt your work because you don't have a English knowledge. The English knowledge is the way you have to respect yourself. So they feels that we are professional, responsible, and capable if you have a English knowledge. So good communication helps us avoid misunderstandings. If it also helps us good smoothly with team members. In a job interviews, English plays a very important role, even if We have a good technical knowledge. We many fails to impress in interviews in if our English is weak. But when we speak calmly and confidence in English, we feel more relaxed. The interviewers also feel positive about us. So good English knowledge also helps in our career growth. People good communicate will often get better opportunities. These are selected for important task, client meeting and leadership role. This happen because communication build trust. In today's digital world, English is everywhere, from emails to online meetings, from social media to global business. English connects people from a different country. If we know English, we can connect with the whole world easily. This gives us a confidence and a global exposure. Good English knowledge also helps us improve our personality. When we speak confidently, we feel confidence from inside. Our body language improves, our thinking become clear. We start believing in ourselves. Many people feel shy or afraid to speak English, but this fear can be removed with a daily practice. If you practice daily basis, you remove you remove in your fear. Understand? Mistakes are a part of our learning. So you do mistake when you practice English. We have do many mistakes, but do mistakes. Mistake is good for the journey. If you doing something work, so it is possible you doing some mistakes, but mistake is not a mistake is a perfection. We should not feel embarrassed about our mistakes. Every mistake helps us learn something new. Practice English daily is the key of to improvements. Reading loudly, listening to English videos, speaking in front of mirror and recording yourselves are very helpful habit. Consistency is more important than a perfection. So do practice on daily basis. English knowledge does not change who we are. It is only helps to express who we are in a better way. Our thoughts, ideas, and values become more powerful when we can express them clearly. In society, people respect those who can communicate politely and confidently. In a professional life, people respect those who can explain their work early. And good English helps us earn that respect. In conclusions, good English knowledge is a valuable skill. It is gives us confidence, respect, and better opportunities in life. It helps us grow personally and professionally. That is why I am practicing English daily. That is why I am practicing English every day, step by step. So thank you so much for watching my videos. Please keep supporting me. This is day 56 of my English practice journey. See you in the next video. Take care.